20 minutes from the shores of Kota Kinabalu lies some of Borneo's most beautiful and picturesque islands. However, today we're going to show you the harsh realities of visiting these pieces of paradise.
So we've just arrived at the Kota Kinabalu ferry terminal, and it has been open for about 10 minutes now, and it is already a massive queue. There's loads of people already waiting outside, so I think a lot of people pre-book their tickets, so it might be worth doing that, but at the moment we're in a queue waiting to try and fill out the form to get to a ferry. We've just waited in queue for about 15 minutes to get our tickets. We're going to 2 different islands today, so it costs 55 Malaysian ringgit each, and now we seem to have to wait up for another queue to actually sort out the boat. So we've got the tickets, but that doesn't mean we necessarily have the boat to get onto yet, but hopefully that's the next step. So after a lot of waiting, we've managed to get our main boat ticket for today. Now we just head past all the restaurants and waiting bit. It's very built up here. We won't struggle to find facilities. Hopefully we can go on our boat soon, but it looks like there's an even bigger queue ahead of us, so more waiting. So no one told us that this was the reality of visiting the Kota Kinabalu Island. So they've advertised as like paradise, but it's currently involved a lot of waiting. We've been here almost an hour and we're yet to get on the boat. We've managed to find our stand and get our life jackets, but now we just have to wait for the boat driver. We're finally on the move to the boat. Each tour company have their own different colour life jackets. We're team blue, orange, pink, so just try and stick with your colour life jacket and it should be fine. We have made it on the boat. Next stop, first island of the day. So the journey is a little bit bumpy.
Oh my goodness, oh goodness. I'm feeling a bit sick already, I won't lie. I've only been on it a couple of minutes.
I think it's maybe like a 20-minute journey,
no,
but I'm not sure.
God, I don't think I can last 20 minutes.
In all fairness, the waves aren't that big, it's just very bumpy.
And we're right at the front, so I think we're getting most of the bouncing.
Oh, that was a big one. I can't tell if this is really fun or really scary. Most because we know there's crocodiles in this ocean. So it seems to be like a taxi service. We just dropped loads of people off at Manukan Island and we're literally the only ones on the boat now, which might be a good thing, but also means that we're going to be sliding a lot more because we were just bunching on people. But don't think it's a long journey to the next one, but hopefully where everyone's got off, the other one might be a bit quieter, but we'll wait and see. So we've just arrived at our first island of the day, Manukan Island, and it looks absolutely stunning, like white beaches, blue ocean, palm trees. It's the largest of the islands you can visit from Kota Kinabalu. So we were hoping where it's larger, everyone will be a bit more spread out and hopefully a bit more peaceful, but so far it looks absolutely stunning. The journey over was eventful, very rocky.
I did not enjoy it.
Got covered in seawater. I think I need a new spine.
Oh yeah, my back was killing me.
Yeah, but we made it here all in one piece, so that's all that matters.
So we've just paid our conservation fee to get in. It was 25 ringgit per adult. It's cheaper for Malaysians. But now we are free to enjoy the beach, enjoy the island. There's loads of facilities on this one. It is one of the more built up. There's loads of picnic benches. There's a few different cafes, restaurants, and places you can buy water, food. So you don't need to worry too much about bringing loads of stuff if you're coming to this island. But I think the one we're going to later is a little bit more secluded. They do have like a flag system in use here for the beach, you know, like most beaches do, like if it's safe or not. And they've currently got a red one flying, which means it's not safe. It's like high hazard. They've also got a yellow one, which means it's medium hazard. And they've also got a purple one, which means a marine pest is present. I don't really know what that means when it's high hazard and medium hazard. So I don't know whether we're going to be able to swim here or not, but we'll see.
So I think we've managed to find the one bit of sun in the whole beach, which is really nice considering we definitely need to top up a tan, as this is our first like proper beach day in almost 2 months of travelling. So it's a much needed tan, but I think the water is quite choppy due to the wind, but it's absolutely stunning. There are quite a few people snorkeling. We might later, either at this beach or the other beach, but we've seen a lot of jellyfish washed up on the shore. So I'm thinking there might be quite a few jellyfish in there, and there's also quite a lot of coral, which really hurts your feet. So for now, we're just going to relax, enjoy this beautiful surrounding.
We're going in.
I've decided to brave it.
Let's hope we don't get stung by jellyfish, but I have seen people picking them up and just like
throwing them
at each other.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say that they're not like poisonous. Oh my gosh, my hair.
But
let's brave it.
Yeah, go on, let's go. Oh, it's very cool here. That's really nice. Can't see any fish yet though. I'm in it. Probably about now.
As graceful as ever.
Very elegant.
We've got war wounds. Matt told me like, yeah, this is the point where we dive under. So the big wave came, I was like, right, let's go for it. I'll dive straight under. Nope, wasn't the bit. It was still quite shallow. Scraped my knee on all the dead coral at the shore. Oh, and my foot, yeah.
Whoopsies.
Cheers, Matt.
I feel bad. So as this island is one of the bigger islands, there's actually quite a lot you can do if you don't want to just like relax on the beach. I think there's a few hiking trails, there's a lot of restaurants and cafes you can go to and like little shops. You can actually stay on this island as well, so if you do want to extend your stay, there's little like hotels and stuff that you can stay in which look really nice. Now we are about to head onto the fun boat and hopefully it's not too rocky, and then head to our second island of the day, which is a lot smaller and hopefully a bit quieter. Okay, so we've just walked onto the pier to try and get our boat to the next island, and this is what it's like. We haven't really been told what we're meant to do or where we're meant to go to get to the next island, but we're just going to kind of walk to the end and hope for the best. Yeah, let's see how that goes. So after a bit of chaos on the dock, we managed to make it onto our boat to our last island today, which is Sapi Island. So fingers crossed, it should be equally as beautiful, if not more. Hopefully this journey goes a lot smoother too. So we've just made it to our second and final island of the day, Sapi Island.
It's busy, but it looks so beautiful. There's still like plenty of space, and we've already seen so many fish in the sea.
Yeah. It's a lot smaller than our last island, but it's equally as beautiful so far. Really looking forward to exploring.
Most of the winter's gone. I don't know whether it's just where we are or whether like the time of day, but it's so calm now.
Yeah, so we're really looking forward to it.
Actually getting in the sea properly and without cutting my legs up.
Let's hope so. Okay, so let's see if swimming this time goes a bit better than last time. Oh, the water's nice and warm.
Oh, my foot.
Okay, ready?
No, I don't trust you.
No, then jump down.
I'll slide.
Oh. definitely nice.
And it's
Such soft sand.
Goggles on.
Going under.
Let's go.
I can't really see. These goggles are crap. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Lush. The sea is like the perfect temperature.
Yeah.
It's clear, it's calm.
It's so nice. Oh, this is so nice. So many fish as well. I just saw like a massive school of like giant fish. It was so cool. Probably the most fish I've seen like all in one. Probably in the ocean in my life, because from the UK we don't see many cool fish. And they were like different variety ones as well. So we've just explored on this side of the beach. It was so nice. But there's also another side just on the other end of the pier, so might go and check that out now, see if it's any better.
They might have better fish.
That's what we're hoping.
Somehow between that side and this side, Nat has managed to lose his goggles. We literally got out, picked the bags up and walked over this side. So I have no idea what he's done with them, but it doesn't surprise me.
I found my goggles, they were on my shoes. Oh, this water's a bit colder. Ah, still very warm. Oh, spiky. We have now both cut our feet and legs open, so oh, it's warmer now. Oh, this is so nice. This is very enjoyable. Can't believe it's taken us 2 months to get into the sea. I think Megan's not happy with that fact.
What?
Taking us almost 2 months to get into the sea.
I love the beach.
So Sapi is one of the smallest of the islands you can visit from Kota Kinabalu. I believe it's the second smallest, but it is absolutely stunning. There's not as many facilities or pretty much anything here. I believe there's one cafe just over there, but apart from that, you're pretty much on your own. So make sure you do pack a lot of like water and food, but it is absolutely stunning. I don't think I've seen so many fish before, like especially like colourful, bright ones. It is honestly so beautiful, so magical. Definitely need to make this one of the islands you visit if you are planning on doing island hopping from Kota Kinabalu. If you do have a lot of time, you can potentially like go to them all over a couple of days, but we prefer to take it slow and like enjoy, go in the sea, but it's been so nice. So it's about 20 to 4 now, and the last boat of the day leaves at 4 o'clock, so we're getting that one, and apparently they might leave you behind if you're not on it, so you need to make sure we're on it.
To be fair, I actually wouldn't mind being left behind.
No,
but,
yeah.
Might get a bit hungry.
Yeah, maybe. But it's been so nice, just relaxing.
Absolutely beautiful island.
Yeah. I think we need to make sure we're one of the first on, so we're not at the front of the boat again getting knocked around. Yeah, we're not really looking forward to this journey back. If it's anything like the first one. I'm
hoping it's calmer now. At least here, there's no wind, but
Yeah.
I don't know what it's going to be like out there.
No, but we'll wait and see, and hopefully it'll be not too bad. So this is the queue to get back onto the boats. Definitely make sure you get here early. Luckily we still got about 15 minutes, so we should be alright. Don't think we'll be stuck here tonight. We almost missed the boat. He's telling us to run, so we made it on the boat just in time, but now we're saying goodbye to the island. It's definitely been a fun day. Still getting wet. So we've just made it back. I'm pretty sure I'm more wet now than I was while snorkeling.
Yeah. The journey was like really smooth. I don't know whether it's because we sat at the back or whether it was just genuinely calmer, but we got soaked.
Yeah.
Like every time we went like through a wave, like just a huge torrent of water went over us.
Yeah, there's people using like their life jackets as like shields.
Like it literally went all down my dress. I'm
Yeah.
soaked through.
So definitely be prepared, you might get a bit wet on the journeys.
Yeah. Don't have anything valuable in your hands.
No. So we had no idea that Kota Kinabalu had islands this beautiful.
We have had literally the best day exploring them, and there's even more that you can explore if you want to. There was 4 or 5 different islands that you can go to, which is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. I think in Kota Kinabalu itself there's not too much to do, but it makes a great base to do like other activities
Yeah.
such as the islands, and there's also Mount Kinabalu, which is a very popular hike. But we've honestly had the best time. If you're in Kota Kinabalu, definitely make a day to head to the islands and enjoy it, because these have been absolute paradise.
But for now, we're on to more wildlife. We're very, very excited for what we've got next.
Yeah.
So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up.